Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and today we're going to do a couple of things. I'm going to show you how to use our T-rulers, and I'm going to make something for one of our little superhero capes, and probably, well, definitely for Christmas. As you can see, I'm on the Cricut, so let's go into new projects. I want to make this simple, so we're just going to go into images and see what they have for Christmas. We're going to go down to material and select vinyl. We're going to do free. Let's see what this looks like. Insert image. Okay, here we are with the image. I have it around 5 by 5, close enough. And I'm going to color sync these because I want to cut everything on one mat. So I go up here into color sync and I just move all these together, and I'm moving them up into the beige one because it'll be easier to see. Then I'm going to go into Make It. Moving these around to give myself lots of space. All right, we are at the heat press and I'm going to use our T-ruler for the first time. So obviously you want to take off the blue stuff. That just comes right off. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Okay, that comes off, and this is our T-ruler. It gives instructions up here on size and location. So we have this superhero cape. So I'm going to take the cape off. That just comes off, pulls off because it's on with Velcro. And I'm going to give it a quick press to get rid of wrinkles and moisture. I have it set on medium pressure and around 320 degrees. So I have my t-shirt, all the moisture and the wrinkles are out of it. And this says for size 4T, put it 1 inch below the neckline. So here's the neckline. I'm going to center it there. That's about 1 inch below the neckline. Hold it there, move it off. Looks good to me. And I'm going to use my release paper, just because I always do. This is flock, so I'm going to press it for 15 seconds. And flock is a warm or cold peel. You may see some residual glitter on the transfer tape, but it won't come off on your shirt. Okay, glitter is 15 seconds cold peel. Here's our red layer. And this is 3 seconds, 3 to 10 seconds. This is our 1, 2, 3 flex. I was getting ready to cut my font and it was going to charge me and I didn't feel like paying $5 for more font. So I changed it to this font, which is Little Star, which I like. Okay, we're going to put the halo down, and that's in silver glitter. We're going to put that down first. I'm just getting my placement, just eyeballing it. That looks good. I already have vinyl on here, so I have to use a release paper. Some people call that a blowout paper. And this is going to be a fun little t-shirt for my friend's granddaughter. There you go. Thanks, guys. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.